Hello. Subconsciously and consciously, we have a strong connection to wood. The visual application of wood adds to the aesthetic quality of a space or facade. Wood is a naturally attractive material that people have a strong emotional connection to. For this reason, the surface layer of a DLT or CLT component is usually made from wood of a higher visual quality than the layers beneath. Either a piece without cracks or knots, or from a different species of wood. The effect of visual stimulation from wood on the body and mind was examined in a comparative study using full-sized Hinoki wall panels, Japanese cypress, and a white steel wall panel. Results showed that visual stimulation from the white steel wall panel made an unhealthy and closed impression and increased the sense of depression. Visual stimulation from Hinoki wall panels had an emotional and natural impression upon humans. Blood pressure decreased significantly in those who liked them, and there was no significant increase in blood pressure in those who disliked them. There are great benefits for the indoor climate, perceived comfort and well-being. Because wood is a hygroscopic material with a low thermal conductivity, depending on the relative humidity, it absorbs or repels moisture. It creates a comfortable and consistent indoor climate in terms of humidity and temperature. This dynamic moisture behavior, in combination with wood species density, can result in a substantial thermal capacity. Thermal comfort in buildings is closely related to the heat loss in the cold season and the heat gain in the warm season. The facade can mitigate these extremes by the insulating and heat storage capacity of its envelope. In many countries, building regulations prescribe insulation values for buildings. They range from R values between 4 and 6. Zero energy buildings even go towards R values of 10. Additionally, using wood fits perfectly in a biophilic design philosophy that leads to less stress, a greater sense of well-being, and ultimately a higher quality of indoor working and living conditions.